Hello everyone, this is our new series of internal question paper solving of computer oriented numerical method. So let's start. The first question is write an algorithm and flowchart to solve the following pairs of equation for x and y given the value of a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23 and the equation is a11 x1 plus a12 x2 is equals to a13 and the second one is a21 x1 plus a22 x2 is equals to a23 and the four cases are given in the question and the first part of question is comments on result of case 1 and case 2 when there is change of 0.001 in one of the coefficient, how interchange of equation affects the solution in case 3 and case 4. And in case 1, according to Gauss elimination method, converting it into augmented matrix. Here you can see the matrix. Now with the help of the above matrix, converting augmented matrix into diagonal matrix using 2.5 pivot. R2 minus R1 into A21 by A11, substituting the value in R2. Then we will get the matrix. Now forward elimination phase is come. 2.5 x1 plus 5.2 x2 is equals to 6.2. Then we will get the value of x2 which is 16.9589 and after putting the value of x2 in the equation we will get the value of x1 which is minus 32.79451 and in case 2 the given matrix is 2.5, 5.2 and 6.2, 1.2251 and 2.605 and 9312. By Gauss elimination method, R2 minus R1 into A21 by A11, substituting the value of in R2, converting augmented matrix into diagonal matrix with 2.5 is pivot. Now forward difference phase. 2.5 x1 plus 5.2 x2 is equals to 6.2. Then we will get the value of x2 which is 12.632, 6 and 5 and the value of x2 is minus 23.7959 and case 3 is the given matrix is, you can see the given matrix can also be written as by Gauss elimination method R2 minus R1 into A21 by A11, substituting the value in R2. The diagonal matrix is below. Now forward elimination phase is come 0.0002 x1 plus 2.000 x2 is equals to 2.000. Then we will get the value of x2 which is 0.9998 and the value of x2 is equals to 2. The given in case 4 the given matrix is and the above matrix also can be written as by Gauss elimination method R2 minus R1 into A21 by A11, substituting the value in R2. The diagonal matrix is now forward elimination phase comes 1.00 x1 plus 2.000 x2 is equals to 4.000 and the value of x2 is 0.9998 and the value of x1 is equals to 2 in case and the a in case 1 the values are x1 is equals to minus 32.69451 and x2 is equals to 16.9589 and in case 2 the values are x1 is equals to minus 33.7959 and x2 is equals to 16.9589. Hence we can calculate that when values of x2 is equals to changed by 0.001 then the result display a big change in their x1 and x2 values. And in part B, in case 3 the values are x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to 0.99998. In case 4 the values are x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to 0.99998. Hence we can calculate that the interchange of equation does not affect the solution of case 3 and case 4.